And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a latest Pbandai for the HGQuuuuuux line. We have the expansion set for the Red Gundam. Yes, so the Red Gundam was released previously. It had, I think, two bits, but this one is an expansion wherein you add four additional bits. There is new, what do you call that? New bazooka. I think there are two new bazookas, and of course, a brand new lightsaber effect. Yeah. So as you can see in the box art, yes, this is the typical P Bandai, wherein it's a monocolor, and we have it there, expansion for Red Gundam, and here are what's inside of it. Off to the side, yes, the contents is here. Seeing four new bits, the Hyper Bazooka, oh, and the Zaku Bazooka, bit joint parts, hand part set, oh, additional hand parts, nice. Effect parts and weapon display base. Alright, so this is all of it there. Off the side, yeah, expansion set, and opening up and seeing what's inside the box. We have the first one is, yes, here it is, the expansion set color. Or sorry, for the saber effects. Here it is. So instead of a gun, right, it's a saber effect with this. Anyways, here it is for the bits. Yep. Last bag is here. This one, we're in the stand is here, and yeah, some stickers is here. And of course, it is the instruction manual where it tells you how to build this expansion set, and of course, how to attach them. Alright, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Right, and first off is we have is the C sprue, all gray with the additional bazooka and hand parts is here. We have the E sprue. I think this is the Zaku bazooka. Then we have not just one, but two G sprues coming from the original Red Gundam. This is for the additional bits, same parts. So not just one, but two H parts again coming from the original Red Gundam for those additional bits. We have the XA here for the attachment of the bits and the additional hands. We have this one, the XB for the stand, and then we have this SB, yeah, for the new saber effects. Of course, we have this sticker sheet. Alright. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this Pbandai exclusive for the HGQuuuuux line, the expansion set for the Red Gundam, where again it gives you additional bits for the Red Gundam, which in the anime it shows it has 6, but upon the release of the Red Gundam, it just displays 2. Though it had the mace with it, but it did not include the bazooka as seen in the anime. But now it excluded not just the bazooka but also the Zaku bazooka as well as the new saber effects that was seen in the anime. Alright, and this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing my video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.